Hello everyone, this is Intro to Robotics, STEAM and Robotics Competitions by the Circuit Breakers. Content. In this video, we're going to be talking about who we are, STEAM, what is first competitions, WRO, VEX Robotics, and finally, how to start your own team. This is our introduction to Circuit Breakers. We Circuit Breakers are one of the many First Tech Challenge teams. We are a community-based team. This is our 5th season of participating in FTC. Before we joined FTC, we participated in FLL, also known as First Lego League, and I'll be talking about this later in the video. Our goal is to spread awareness for STEAM through FIRST and other organizations. What is STEAM? STEAM is an acronym for Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Math. Many things that we use today are founded on the concept of STEAM. What is FIRST? FIRST is an organization that sponsors a cluster of robotics competitions which aim to inspire kids to become science and technology leaders. These competitions require mostly a robot to complete certain set of tasks. FIRST has 4 unique programs for grades K through 12. Grades K through 4 will be participating in FLL Jr. Grades 4 to 8 will be participating in FLL. And grades 7 through 12 will be participating in FTC, and finally, grades 9 through 12 will be participating in FRC. What is FLL Jr? FLL Jr stands for First Lego League Junior. In this, the challenge is based on different STEAM topics each year. For the robot, we use different do parts. The project is to create a presentation called the Show Me poster that illustrates the Journey's team with drawings, research, and photos. What is FLL? FLL stands for First Lego League. Like FLL Jr., FLL is based on different STEAM topics each year. For your robot, you use something called EV3, and EV3 uses Mindstorm programming. For the project, you have to create a solution for a problem given related to the challenge. Create a poster board which shows the team's journey throughout the season with drawings, research, and photos. Core values. A set of guidelines will follow to be respectful and kind. During the competition, each team has to face a challenge to test these core values. What is FTC? FTC stands for First Tech Challenge. For your robot, it has to be built with sensors, motors, and metal parts to complete autonomous, which is the programmed, and teleop, which is the gamer-controlled periods. For your engineering notebook, you need these 3: documentation of the team's journeys, one for engineering process and programming process, and finally one for outreach events and fundraising. For outreach, you can fundraise the team by emailing companies and presenting your team. This is an example of the FTC timeline. Some of the most busiest times in this timeline are the build and practice season and the qualifying season. What is FRC? FRC stands for First Robotics Competition. For your robot, teams have a 6-week period to build and program industrialized size robots to play against other teams. For your engineering notebook, you'll do the exact same thing for FTC. What is WRO? WRO stands for World Robotic Olympiad, and it has 3 different categories. WRO Regular has 4 unique programs for different age groups. WRO Open is sort of the same thing, and WRO Football has 1 program for the ages 10 through 19. It is similar to all FLL First competitions. The main difference is that the robot has to be built from scratch at the start of the national competition. What is VEX? VEX is a global robotics competition that encompasses more than 60 countries and over 1 million students. VEX Robotics embraces the model of exploration STEM learning. There are multiple categories such as VEX IQ and VEX Cortex based on your age group. How to get started on your own team. In order to start, you need to first form a team. A team can consist of at least 2 members and 1 coach/mentor. Make sure to register your team for one or more competitions. Also, order parts, start meetings, and build buildings. Also, remember to practice. Forming a team. If you want to join a team instead of create one, the first place to look is your school. They might have a robotics team. If not, then search out to local teams in your area. There are multiple ways to do this. First, go to STEAM expos and other robotics-related events to see if you can see what they do and that type of stuff. Also, you can email teams and see what you can do to join them. What are sponsors? Sponsors are either a person or company that helps fund your team with supplies and money. Start by emailing local businesses with the team account. Saying who you are, what you do, and what your STEM competition is very helpful. Try creating team social media pages that start a crowdfunding campaigns. Some opportunities for searching for grants include educational foundations, private foundations, and large corporations. General tips. Students should get started and get involved in STEAM competitions and activities as early as possible. Students should make use of volunteering opportunities and be open-minded to try out new STEAM opportunities. If you're old enough, volunteering for an event is a good way to know about the competition. Here are some of the useful links that we use to create this presentation. If you guys have any questions, please contact us at https://www.circuitbreakers.club/info@circuitbreakers.club, or you can just type in the comment section of this video. Thank you, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.